Holding Shift button, hit the direction key. You can select the range, insert the value, Ctrl Enter, autofill the range, Ctrl Enter, insert the value, select the specific cell, Ctrl D, copy above the cell value, select the specific cell, Ctrl R, copy the value from left cell, Ctrl R, put cursor specific location, Ctrl Space Bar, select the entire column, select the specific cell, Shift Space Bar, select the entire row. Ctrl A, select the specific area, Ctrl B, bold, Ctrl I, Italic, Ctrl U, Underline, Ctrl V, Cancellation line. Let's move on Flash Fill. We have this data. We want to hide some of the names. In case of name, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We want to hide the family name like this way and enter. Put back here, Ctrl E. Automatically the remaining is a flash fill. In case of phone number, same, Ctrl E. In case email address, also Ctrl E. Let's move on to the next one. We would like to calculate the total price. For example, like this, unit price times of quantity. Then we have issue. We are going to have value error here because this value is including EA. In order to solve this problem, first we have to extract the value. Put 4 here, Ctrl E button. Go back here, unit price times extracted quantity, enter. Go back here, double clicking it. You are able to calculate total price without any error. Let's move on. We would like to make autofit for this part. Put cursor inside Ctrl A, Alt H means home tab. Then you can see all here. Press all. You can see A, Autofit Row Height. Automatically rows are fit. Now let's go for column. Alt H, home tab. O, cell. Then we go for I. We completed it. Let's practice a bit. Put the cursor in the table. Ctrl A, select the entire area. Ctrl C, copy them. Put certain location. Ctrl V. Now autofit for column width. Alt H or I, Ctrl X, which is moving to another direction, Ctrl V, paste it. I will put here, put cursor in the table, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy them, put the cursor here. Now I will transpose it, Alt ES. You can see the pop-up window, paste special, take transpose, click OK. Again, autofit for column width, Alt H or I. Looks perfect. In order to undo, Ctrl Z. In order to redo, Ctrl Y. For example, let's say this is a date. You can change this part. Ctrl Shift direction key. After that, Ctrl Shift 3. Then everything change into day form. Ctrl Z, undo. In order to delete something, you go here, clicking it, press delete button. You can delete the object. In case of cell, the method doesn't work. Let me show you. Put cursor in the table, Ctrl A, press delete button. Still the format is right there, Ctrl Z. In order to solve this problem, copy empty cell, Ctrl C, put cursor inside the table, Ctrl A again, Ctrl V, then you can erase it clearly. Let me do it again, Ctrl C, put cursor here, Alt A, Ctrl V, make it bigger. The next one is very handy. You can repeat what you done previously by pressing one button. For example, you go here, you want to change the color with yellow, Home tab, yellow. Now you want to repeat this one repeatedly. Select the cell, press F4, select the cell, press F4, F4, F4. You can do same for other action. For example, you want to make this as bold. Make it bold. Select the cell, press F4, press F4. In order to open new file, Ctrl O, then you go new, and you can open new file. Ctrl P, then you can print the sheet. Lastly, Alt F4, you can close your Excel file.